Hey guys, Abner with Liberty Roofing Pros. We just completed our final inspection on this 145 square shingle roof with soffit and fascia that we completed for the Slippery Rock Campground. We completed in about 4 days. We decided to go with Atlas Pinnacle Pristine Shingle, which gives them a 15-year up to 130 mile per hour wind rating and also a lifetime warranty against algae and moss. And then we also matched that with our own 15-year workmanship warranty. So we also took off 6-inch gutters on this project, but we went back with 7-inch commercial grade seamless gutters due to the square footage of the roof and the water runoff from that square footage. We wanted to ensure that the gutters don't overflow if we get a heavy rain and damage the foundation of the building. If you need a quote or an inspection for your home or commercial building, you can give us a call at 724-456-9336 or visit us on the web at libertyroofingpros.com.